Coughing your way out of a heart attack? Not quite. That's a myth. Coughing neither prevents nor stops a heart attack. The origins of this misinformation? Likely a misunderstanding of cough CPR, a method used in very specific circumstances during a cardiac catheterization procedure. It's a technique applied under the watchful eyes of medical professionals, instructing patients when and how to cough if they develop sudden irregular heartbeats. But remember, this is strictly for those already in a hospital setting. So forget the coughing cure, and if you suspect a heart attack, seek immediate medical attention. Dispelling myths one at a time.